guys. No time for sex. Math time. Baby, respect. Math time. Baby, respect.
Welcome back, scholars, for another amazing math lesson today with me, Miss Hardy. Today in math, we are learning that we can use the symbols greater than, equal to, and less than to compare different amounts of objects and numbers up to 100. Are you ready? I hope so. If not, it's okay. Let's practice really quick. We have two numbers here, and we want to know which one is greater. Well, we know that we have these three signs, and if I remember back in class really well, I remember that the sign opens up to the greater number, kind of like an alligator mouth. But, Miss Hardy, how do I know which one is greater? Because the first number says 49, the second number says 94. Miss Hardy, are you trying to trick me? Yes, I am. I'm trying to trick you now, only to help you later. One of the strategies that I use to help me not get tricked is by using my hands. I use my hands to cover up the ones place in the numbers. This easy, simple trick helps me decipher and compare which number is greater. It's easy to see that 9 is greater than 4, therefore 49 is less than 94. It's that simple. You can do it on your problem set just like you've been doing it in the past. But before we start the problem set and the concept development, let's do some fluency. Let's play Coin Drop. Coin Drop is a fun way of playing math stories so that we can practice using these math stories to help us get better on tests and problem sets. Let's see what our math story is today. Today, I have 5 dimes already in my can. As I drop a penny and a dime in my can, tell me the new total. Let's think about this. I know that a penny, the brown one, is 1 cent, kind of like a 1, or just a single dot on the paper when we draw our math pictures. I also know that a dime is 10 cents. When we draw 10, it is in a bundle on our math paper. So normally when we draw quick tens, we draw a line, or we'll have a 10 stick. Ones and tens. We've been learning about ones and tens, so this is not going to be hard at all. Let's draw a picture to see if that can help me figure out what my new total is. I remember the math story said that I had 5 dimes. I want to make sure that I draw 5 correctly, so I'm going to make sure I put a number by each one so that I know that I drew the right amount of dimes. I can count my dimes. Remember, dimes are how many? 10. 10 cents. So when we count our dimes, we count by what, class? Did you say 10? Oh, if you said 10, you are so smart. Count by tens with me until we can find out how much money we have so far. 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. Do you notice a pattern? 1 dime is 10 cents. 2 dimes is 20 cents. 3 dimes is 30 cents. 4 dimes is 40 cents. And 5 dimes is 50 cents. I notice a pattern. And if you notice a pattern, that pattern is going to help you count faster in the future. Kiss your brain. Good job. But wait, I added more coins to my can, remember? I added a penny and a dime. So I'm not done counting. We have to count on. But if I'm going to add a 10 cents to this, I need to add 10 to the 50 that I already have. So 50 plus 10 is 60. Yeah. Now, but I'm not done. I still see another coin down there. It's a penny. And remember, a penny is not 10 cents. A penny is 1 cent. If you remembered that, oh, you're so smart. So I need to add not 10 to my last number. I need to add 1. So what's 60 plus 1? 61. Oh man, guys, thank you for helping me out. I really appreciate that. When I go back to my math story, I can answer it correctly. I see that I have 5 dimes already. I added 1 dime and 1 penny to my can. Therefore, my new total is 61. Do you see how we got that? If you need help, grab a can of coins or a jar of coins from around your house. I found some in my sofa and in the car. And practice counting. Counting money is very important and will help you out when you go to the second grade. 61 is definitely greater than the 50 that we started with. If I were writing this out, what symbol would I use to show that 61 is greater than 50? Are you looking at this symbol right here? You are? You're right, because this is the greater than sign. We'll need this sign and need to know this sign when we go to our problem set to compare different numbers, 35 and 42. Are you confused? Don't be. Remember our strategy of covering up the ones place. So, are you going to cover up the 3 or the 5? Yeah, you're going to cover up that 5. And then look at the 3 by itself while you cover up the 4 or the 2. The 2, you're going to cover up the 2. So that way you can compare 3 and 4 and know that 3 is less than 4. So the alligator's mouth, is it going to open up to the 3, the smaller number? Or does it want to eat the 4, the larger number? I hope you said that 4. You're going to use that less than sign to show that 35 is less than 42. Don't be intimidated by the rest of your problem sets because they're exactly the same, but they try to trick you. They try to trick you here. 6 10s, 2 1s, 2 1s, 6 10s. Oh no, what do? We cover the ones place. Once you cover the ones place, you'll see 6 10 is greater than 2 10s. But don't be tricked. We have problems where the ones place is more than 10. That means we have a lot of ones and we need to bring over another 10. 4 10s and 14 ones is the same as what? 4 10s, another 10, and 4 ones. What's 4 10 and another 10? 5 10s. So this is the same as 5 10s and 4 ones. So 5 10s and 4 ones, 5 10s and 4 ones. Will we put a greater than sign here, a less than sign here, or an equal to sign here? I'll let you think about that. But that's the end of our lesson today. And I really appreciate you spending time with me. Math is going to be a breeze for you if you watch this video and the next video. I love you guys. Stay clean, stay safe, and stay happy. Bye.